Hi guys, this is Mani Chopra here at Wokingham Bank site with my JV partner Anna. Hi Anna.
Hi Mani.
So
Hello,
we're right here, and as you can see, if you just turn your camera away a little bit towards the right, it's now on for let. So we've signed up a nice local agent who is now obviously advertising this property. So if you know someone who's looking for 1,000 square foot retail space with this beautiful frontage and sort of listed looking building.
Huge windows, nice basement for storage or whatever ancillary spaces.
Possibly one car parking space if you can negotiate with us. Then definitely get in touch with us. But otherwise, let's go and have a look and see what's going on inside. The walking is good because people like the whole anticipation of it. So here we are. Do you want to, Charlie, come? Here we are at the main entrance, which is what's going to be the entrance to the flats, to all of them. There are some flats which will have the back entrance, but most of them will have the entrance from here. So as you can see, a beautiful elaborate entrance, which we are going to obviously retain. And then let's go in and see what's been going on.
It's a bit dark here.
Yes.
Yeah.
So just bear with us.
So what happened? Yeah, what happened here?
As you can see, the open. If you come in closer, the open plan is now gone. This is effectively our flat 1, as you can see, and we've actually got all these brand new walls just gone up in a couple of days.
2 days, yeah.
So this is flat 1, which is going to be a 2-bedroom flat. Round there is going to be the main sort of living spaces. So the living room here, the lounge bit is going to be here, as far as I know, Anna?
Yep, correct, yeah.
And the 2 bedrooms around here. And this space, unfortunately, which is slightly on the dark side because there's no windows, is going to be kitchen and bathroom.
But it's going to be a really, really nice big kitchen with a good... I mean, we will add a really nice
lighting.
Artificial light. Yeah, they're going to be storage, they're going to be bathroom. So this flat is actually around 80 square meters.
Oh, wow.
So it's really spacious, yeah.
And not to miss the ceiling height. Obviously, it will come down a bit.
Yes, we will put suspended ceiling to, to reduce the height, but we keep it up to 3 meters.
Brilliant. So guys, this is flat 1, and let's go and see what's happening in the other spaces. This is going to be the commercial space, as I've mentioned in my previous videos, and this is currently just being sort of stripped out to make it into a core and shell. Here you can see this is the operation removing the vault.
Yeah, which apparently actually really, really difficult. For those who are interested how to break into safes, yeah, let me show you that it's not that easy. Just for you to understand how it's structured. So we have that used to be a metal safe, not the biggest one. That actually was the smallest in the bank. So our wonderful guys, they started cutting the metal shell. That's the metal shell with the oxygen. Yes, Charlie. Oxygen. Yeah. They managed to cut the out shell. But inside, if you see, this is a concrete, but this is not just any concrete. This is a concrete with a special sealant which prevents you from using any oxygen cutting. It's just bounce back. So they had to bring this machine to start breaking it down. And the safe is actually probably around 40 centimeters embedded in the wall. There is another safe which is bigger, which is embedded a meter inside in the floor.
This one's just over a foot buried into the ground as well.
Yeah. Oh my God.
So yeah, for those who are planning to break in or arrange a bank robbery, you can learn and practice here. You're welcome. Yeah.
But guys, so this was our video part 1. Please do follow us for regular content. We are going to be doing more videos on the first floor and some other flats at the back as well.
Yeah.
Thank you.